but obviously a lot of elevation. You didn't get all of it today. Tomorrow you'll be where I'm up on the REM, and then it'll feature a lot more of the big jumps.
Yeah, I don't know if it's as much fun as Disneyland, but it's an early track, and when you get to the big downhill, you can get you off guard and you got to be on your side.
Good luck to you tomorrow. Hey, welcome here, and today you got a chance to go out there and preview the track.
You could have got there and see what the track's going to be like, a little bit of what's going to be like tomorrow, but that was pretty good, fun.
Thanks a lot, Davie Millsap. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we've got about our 100 people all lined up, and we will, what happened to my radio? My radio's there. It's pretty neat to see all the riders lined up here. We've got some of the legends in the sport, and then we got the current stars.
Yeah, I'm just sitting there talking with Gene Turner from Cycle News, and we were just amazed, and Tim Olsen from Yamaha, about getting all these guys together at one time. It's really exciting.
You know, we talked about it. Of course, the 15 or the 9X and the 215 are really the pathways out of the Southland here. So we question the ability to get a lot of people here, but boy, I'll tell you what, motocross fans are a hardy group, and they're here.
Yeah, I'm sure there's some people sitting on the freeway right now going, darn, because there's some guys getting some super good autographs right now.
You can ride all the nationals?
It's cool, dude. Good to see you out here, dude. Love it.
I'll tell you what, we are excited here. Fans, this is the part of it here.
I'm rooting for Millsap
out here. It's just a little bit of Ryan Sandoval get out there.
Miss MS.
Hitting on a girl?
Yeah.
You want one of the big ones
can I get a
in the garage too.
Scoot in, Bart. Scoot in. That's it. Everybody say, motocross. Cool. All right, one more. Ready? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Are both bikes the same?
The motors are the same, just the frames are different. This was the first one.
Get your time.
Let them know that you're going to hit it.
How did you know you can get a hold of it? No one knows what's going on. Oh, he's...
Yep.
Oh,
Talk to me.
Could at least been nice and got my sunglasses before you really go.
Oh, Gavin, you can pull that down. Hi, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Right on. Right on. There we go. Right on.
Special out of the $50,000 purse for an off-road race, and we've had calls from all over the world about coming to the mountains of West Virginia for American.
And Bale, that 220 horsepower fuel burning monster.
Thank you. The camera. Hey, can you believe you're talking to Mike? I got to speak with you.
Turn around, Brody.
I love that. Where do you go from here?
Motocross racing. What? It's right from Villopoto. I think he's got it in there. Good to talk to you, Cameron. Have a good night.
What do you think about that?
I understand there's 2 rounds down so far. Is this your 3rd round? I'll tell you what, they're scary, they're very large, there's a lot of sharp edges on those machines. When you don't make it to the top, then what?